Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Big Buff, Buffalo Picker? Yeah, defending the hustle on Friday nights here in Glass City. Have you ever heard of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle with Big D and Michelle? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Yeah, well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm finna make this quick video about what I sold. But first, you finna see the skylight of St. Louis. Well, ain't really the skylight. It's day. But we finna see the city of St. Louis, the downtown area. Yeah, I'm coming over the bridge from Illinois into Missouri, and I just want to show y'all this picture right here of the city. Yeah, it's nice over there. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna get to it in a minute. As soon as I cross this bridge, we're gonna get to what I sold. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this shot together. We really need to do something about our riverfront. Riverfront suck. But other than that, it's a nice city. For the arch, they just renovated the arch. They just renovated, put all modern stuff in there. You know, the last time they renovated it was right after about a couple of years after they built it. But it's completely renovated now. Okay, y'all, let me concentrate going around this corner right here. I'll put y'all on hold for a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm coming down around the arch grounds over there. Yeah, man, can you see I'm trying to get over? What the hell? Yeah, y'all, I ain't had number 4 sales this weekend. I don't know what's going on, but that's money I didn't have. You know what I mean? Like I said, eBay is a lifeline. So, first thing I sold was a Disney Pixar Cars Fillmore. It's like a van, like a hippie van. Yeah, I sold that for $9.90. I don't know what's up with I'm putting this free shipping on stuff. What the hell? Anyway, it's free shipping. It ain't gonna be nothing but a couple of dollars, probably about $3 or something to ship. So I ain't make no money off of that, but whatever. Next up, a Gibson 1991 Campbell Kids porcelain pot with a lid. I sold that for $22. I think I paid $2 for that. I sold it for $22 and $6 shipping. Next up, this is I want to say this is a CD set. It might be cassette. I don't know. I'm not at home to look at it. But it's a Louis L'Amour Man Riding West audio book. So, you know, audio books I pay 50 cents to $1 for. I sold this for $10.50, and it's another damn free shipping. What the hell? Anyway, that sucked. Then the last thing I sold was a Becker. Y'all look out for this makeup. Some of this makeup worth some money. I paid $1 for this. It's a Becker, the One Perfect brush. It's a brush that the only brush you would need to like put makeup on and stuff. It sold for $16. I paid $1 for it, $16, and I charged $2 for shipping. Yeah, so I sold only 4 things this weekend, but that's why I'm just making a little quick video about it. But you know, like I told you before, every little bit counts. So I'm not, you know, complaining about it. I just wish, you know, I could sell more. I'm not complaining about it though. That's money I didn't have. It's less than $100, but that's money I didn't have. So whatever, you know. But anyway, y'all stay safe out there. Put your mask on. Don't worry about what other people say. You know, I hear people saying stuff like the carbon monoxide, you breathing in your carbon monoxide with a mask on. And you know what I say? I say, I'd rather breathe in. Now, I'm talking about me now. I didn't force them to do nothing. I said, I'd rather breathe in carbon monoxide than to breathe in COVID-19. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not telling them to do nothing, though. I'm just telling you what I would do. Me as, you know, me, not them. So that's the difference between people saying take off your mask and all that. You know, I'm just saying what I would do. So, you know, I just, if you don't want to wear a mask, just say you don't want to wear a mask. Don't use no excuses. It's stupid to make excuses up. Just say I'm not wearing a mask. Don't say it because of no carbon monoxide and all that. Put a shield on. If you're worried about the carbon monoxide, put one of them shields over your face. Something. But I'm not telling people what to do. They grown ass people. I'm not telling them what to do. I'm just letting people know what I do. So, you know, either you want to live or you want to die, whatever. So, I choose to live. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace.